Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about how Alienware will now go big on AMD. Let's head into it. If you're looking for a powerful new gaming rig that's powered by an AMD processor, Dell has some intriguing new options that are available right now. Today the PC maker announced the launch of two Ryzen 6000 powered Alienware laptops, a Ryzen powered Dell G15 laptop, and an Alienware Aurora desktop with a powerful Ryzen 7 5800X3D, which is now one of the best gaming CPUs you can get. Alienware has announced a release date and pricing info for its latest batch of gaming laptops. Today's big news is that the new Dell G15, the Alienware M15R7, and the Alienware M17R5 are available right now. Notably, each of the configurations will come equipped with AMD 6000 series processors, paired with NVIDIA's RTX 30 series graphics cards by default, and fast DDR5 RAM, among other impressive specs. Intel-based versions will likely release later in 2022. The most affordable option in the lineup is the 2022 iteration of the Dell G15, pictured here, which is back in its speckled Alienware-esque design. It starts at $899.99, equipped with a 1080p display that has a 120Hz refresh rate, AMD's Ryzen 5 6600H 6-core processor, NVIDIA RTX 3050, 8GB of 4800MHz DDR5 RAM, supports up to 32GB, and a 256GB NVMe M.2 SSD. In terms of processing and graphical grunt, this model can go all the way up to AMD's Ryzen 6 6900HX and the RTX 3070 Ti respectively, with a QHD with 240Hz display. Processor configurations start with AMD's Ryzen 7 6800H, going up to the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX. The M17R5 can go even higher to the AMD Ryzen 9 6980HX, which is currently the top-of-the-line chip in the AMD ballpark. As for the selection of GPUs, the base offering for both laptops include the RTX 3050 Ti at the bottom with 90 watts maximum graphics power in the M15, with the M17R5 getting 95 watts with the same chip. The step-up configuration includes an RTX 3060 140 watts in both machines, the RTX 3070 Ti 150 watts in both, or the 16GB variant of the RTX 3080 Ti at the top with 140 watts of max graphics power. There's a higher 155 watts power ceiling in the M17R5. During CES 2022, Alienware announced the M17R5 Ryzen Edition laptop, which can be configured with AMD's latest high-end processors and mobile graphics chips. It's the model that can sport the aforementioned Ryzen 9 6980HX, and in the case of graphics, it can get AMD's Radeon RX 6700M 10GB card with 125 watts of max graphics power, or the Radeon RX 6850M XT 12GB card, which has an impressive 165 watts max graphics power. The base models of the M15 and 17 include just 8GB of 4800MHz DDR5 RAM, but with the two SODIMM slots. The M15 and 17 supports up to 64GB. As for storage, lesser models have a single storage option that starts with 256GB NVMe M.2 SSDs, going up to 2TB. Or if you elect for an RTX 3060 or higher configuration, you'll have dual storage options with support for up to 4TB of storage. Alienware also determines which ports you'll get by the GPU that's inside. All models have a headphone jack, two USB A 3.2 Gen 1 ports along the right, a power port on the back, an HDMI 2.1 port, and another USB A 3.2 Gen 1 port. The base models with the RTX 3050 Ti include 1GB per second Ethernet jacks, as opposed to 2.5GB per second in their higher tiers, and a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port with 15 watts PD and DisplayPort 1.4 functionality. Alienware hasn't shown off what it will look like yet, so we don't know if it's smaller or simply more efficient. What do you think about these laptops? Did it fulfill your expectations? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.